Hello students, very good morning to one and all. Hope you people are fine, and I once again welcome you to this online English classes. In my last class, I have given an introduction to the English phonetics. Now in this video, I am going to tell you about elements of English language, which is there in our syllabus unit 1. So let us see. Before going to learn about elements of language, I would like to give some importance of learning sounds or speech of a language. My dear students, remember that the medium of speech is more important than the medium of writing. Speech is primary, it came first in the history of language community. Writing came only later. If you take any language, you can see that sounds came earlier. After that only writing came. In the life of an individual, speech comes first. He learns to write only after he started speaking. You can see that a baby or a child, he learns first speech, he learns first sounds. After that only he starts to learn writing. As a medium of communication, speech is used more than the writing. Wherever you can go, you can see sounds, speech, rather than writing. Writing is only an attempt of marking the sounds spoken on a piece of paper. Writing is nothing but what a person has spoken that is there in the writing. Modern technology has contributed to the importance of speech. So now you can see speech sounds in everywhere. If you want to search anything in the Google, means you can put your sound also. Instead of writing everything in Google search page, you can just speak. That Google capture your sounds and it will produce the result for your sound. Then let us see what are the elements of English language. First one is phonology, second one is morphology, third one is syntax, and finally semantic. So in this class I would like to bring out detail of phonology. Phonology means it is a study of language sound system. It deals with the principles of sounds of a language. It is primarily concerned with the systematic organization of sounds in spoken languages and signs in sign languages. And it analyzes how the sounds are selected, organized, and discovers the variations of the sounds. In other words, it deals with how a specific language selects, organizes, and uses the sound. It is clear that phonology means it is learning about sound system, how sounds are produced. So next we will see phoneme. Phoneme comes under phonology only. Phoneme means the sounds of a language. It is the central idea of phonology. It refers to the sound units of a language. If you take a word, in that word you will have so many sounds. For example, in English, a word throw, it contains 3 phonemes. First one is ta. Second one is la. Third one is u. So these are all the phonemes. In a single sound, in a single phonology, you can find so many phonemes. So here I have given one example, through. It refers to one of a small set of speech sound. It is clear that phonemes is nothing but it is a smallest set of a speech sounds. So here another one example is there. You can see I. There is only one sound. Is only one sound, which means only one phoneme. Now, na, ow, na, ow. Two sounds are there, so it is two phonemes. Then pa'ain, which means we are having three phonemes. Pa'ain, pa'ain. So three sets of phonemes are there. Three phonemes. This is what the phonemes. So next we will see allophones, or members of the same phonemes. As you know that in English we are having 26 letters. For these 26 letters we are having 44 sounds. 44 sounds or 44 phonemes. And again these 44 sounds are divided into two categories. One is vowel, another one is consonants. In English we are having 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Sometimes one phoneme may give a slightly different sound. For example, words key and core. Similarly, in the words turn and stern, we have the T sounds. But in the first word, T sound is different from the second sound. In the word turn, T sound is called unaspirated, and in the second, the T sound is called aspirated. These slightly different sounds from one phoneme are called the complementary distribution or allophones, which means you may know that homophones. In homophones, same sounds will be there, but some slight changes will be there. So this is what the allophones. Then coming to minimal pairs. Minimal pairs of words or phrases refers to words in a particular language which differ in only one phonological element. The minimal pair of words inform us that two different words can be derived from just changing only one phoneme of the words. In other words, minimal pairs refers to the change of one sound in a word and hence the possibility of getting another word. For example, need and meet. So just by substituting first sound of the word na ma, in need I changed with ma, it gives meet sound. Likewise, read and deed, just I changed the beginning sound ra with da. Read, did. Likewise, pay, say. Send, bend. Cut, shed. These are all the examples for allophones or minimal pairs. So now lastly, I would like to give what is the difference between phonology and phonetics. Phonetics deals with the production of speech sounds by human beings, often without prior knowledge of the language being spoken. This is what phonetics. Remember, phonetics is nothing but it is a production of speech sounds by human beings. Phonology is about patterns of sounds, especially different patterns of sounds in different languages, or within each language, different patterns of sounds in different positions in words, etc. So this is what the major difference between phonetics and phonology. We can see phonology and phonetics are both are same, just slight difference between are there. So this is what phonology If you have any queries, if you have any questions, means you can ask me in comment section. If you are unable to understand, means you can feel free to ask any question regarding phonology or phonetics. So feel free to ask questions. So hope you got the point. So next class we will meet with another one topic, morphology. Till then, try to acquire knowledge about phonology. Thank you very much.